The kingdom was peaceful and the prince and princess were deeply in love. The prince was disciplined, but his fate was unpredictable. The princess set out to find the prince who never returned, but he was already badly injured. A princess who cares for her prince with the utmost devotion learns a shocking truth from the dwarves. The curse of the queen, thought to be dead, was the cause of all her misfortunes. Vowing revenge, the princess, along with her dwarves, set out to find the queen. When the magic mirror that protected the witch's beauty shattered, her true colors were revealed. Unfortunately, the shards of the mirror also took away the princess's beauty. It was the last curse the queen had left for this moment. The princess sacrificed herself for the prince, even though she knew everything, but he didn't love her anymore. The prince who betrayed the princess's love is about to marry his new bride. The princess's eyes burn with an even more intense flame of revenge.